So we're asking ourselves the question, why do you need a real estate attorney for a New York City transaction, whether that be a co-op, condo, or townhouse purchase? This is probably where, as a buyer, this will be the best money that you could spend. I would highly advise that you speak with a Manhattan or Brooklyn-based real estate attorney that handles these types of transactions day in, day out. You don't want to call Uncle Bob, okay, who's at the New York, Pennsylvania border to come in and deal with your home purchase. In many instances, you're talking to a litigator, they don't understand the nuances of even what to look for, which leaves you at a disadvantage. So what does a real estate attorney do on a co-op or a condo purchase? It starts by reviewing the offering plan. They're reviewing the minutes. They are reviewing the contract and trading comments back and forth with the other side to look out for your best interest. They are reviewing your loan and mortgage commitment. They're searching for liens. Other things that attorneys are looking for in co-ops and condos, are there leaks to the roof? What's been the maintenance increases over the last couple of years? Should you be expecting further increases? They look at the last 2 years of financials, and then they're in touch with the managing agent about any updates to the financials that have come through since then. So having a real estate attorney is absolutely paramount. On co-ops, on condos, they're typically going through all sorts of disclosures, including lead paint, bed bugs, and whether or not they were present in the apartment previously. So I almost look at it almost like insurance. You pay a little bit more for a job to be done correctly, but you're able to catch things and you're able to prevent issues that you may not have otherwise known about if you were looking on your own. People sometimes look to me as a real estate broker to draft leases and draft contracts, and I am not an attorney. I passed on law school, so I am not even allowed to do that in New York State or New York City. So I find it very valuable to refer you to top real estate attorneys, people that will do a great job for you and represent your fiduciary interests, which what I'm all about is making sure that your interests are represented through the transaction and that everything is handled professionally. Now, everyone's favorite question, how much does all of this cost? So typically you're looking at somewhere in the range of $2,500 to $3,500. I have a few different folks that I put people in touch with depending on where they are on the spectrum and what kind of risk they're comfortable with. But typically when you're looking at a multi-million-dollar transaction, pay top dollar for your attorney. It's, treat it like insurance, treat it like money well spent, because it really is.